Hello, everyone. I hope you're all doing well. I'm really excited to share something amazing with you today. Have you ever been in a situation where you needed to translate an entire web page but wanted to keep one or two elements in their original language? Well, with Linguise, you can easily exclude specific parts from translation while ensuring the rest of the content is translated seamlessly. Linguise can help you create a fully multilingual website by translating 100% of your site's content. However, it also offers the flexibility to enable translations for selected sections or elements of your website. Whether you aim to translate the entirety of your site or just specific parts, managing translations is very easy with our intuitive front-end editor. Now, let me show you how it works right away. To exclude a portion of the translation, you'll need to establish a rule instructing the translation machine not to translate specific content. To do this, visit the Linguise dashboard and navigate to the Rules section. Here, you can both manage your existing rules and create new ones for Linguise. Begin by adding a new rule, click the designated button. At this point, you should set the rule type to Content Exclusion. To proceed, you'll have to input a CSS code that identifies the specific content you wish to exclude. If you're unsure how to obtain a CSS code, here's a straightforward method. Visit your web page and press F12 to activate the developer tool. Then, employ the Inspect tool to select the element you want to exclude from translation. Afterward, simply copy the CSS code from the element and paste it into your rule. Your task is now complete. You can also select the languages from which you wish to exclude content. In this way, any other languages not covered by the rule will still undergo translation. Let's adjust the language on my page according to the exclusion and observe the result. As you can see, the headline I chose to exclude remained untranslated throughout the process. You can use this tool as you see fit, whether it's to preserve the original content or tailor it to your preferences when managing your pages. Another way to exclude specific translations is by using URLs. This means you can exclude text on all the web pages with certain URLs. In other words, any page with those specific URLs will not be subjected to the translation rules. First, create a new rule and switch to the exclusion by URL. Next, just type your specific URL here and you can choose the language just like with the content exclude. After all things done, just hit save. Once I've applied a specific URL to the rule, I can simply visit that URL to check if the content has indeed been excluded. This applies to all the URLs you've selected as well. As you can see, managing translations with Linguise is simple. It also offers many advantages, including automatic multilingual SEO optimization, unlimited translation, and compatibility with various CMS and cloud hosts. If you haven't joined us yet, remember we always offer a 1-month free trial and are always ready to help install Linguise on your site. I've left a link in the description for you to check out. Thanks for watching this video. If you're watching this video from YouTube, don't forget to subscribe to our Linguise channel to stay informed about new plugin features and ask us any questions using the comments. And of course, you'll find all the useful links we've talked about in the description. Have a productive day, bye.